Welcome back to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. Let's make easy Sakkarai Pongal and Ulundhu Vada. I will share the technique I use to get soft and crisp vadas even if we grind the batter in a mixie. With these easy tips, making prasadam for the festivals and pujas will become very easy. Let's begin with Sakkarai Pongal. I have taken 3/4 cup raw rice, 1/4 cup moong dal, 1 tablespoon channa dal. Together it will become 1 cup. 1 heaped cup of jaggery. You can make it to 1 1/4 cup if you want it on the sweeter side. But I preferred having it mildly sweet. 2 ELAICHIS or cardamom. 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, cashews and raisins for garnishing. Now we will begin by dry roasting the rice and dal for a few minutes. It need not change color, just roast it till a nice aroma comes. We will make this with the combination of milk and water, which is why I added less jaggery. The milk gives a mild sweetness and a creamy texture to the Sakkarai Pongal. Wash the roasted rice and dal. With same cup for measurement which I had for the rice, I am adding 2 cups of water and 1 1/2 cups of milk. Mix well, add the elaichi or cardamom. Add a pinch of saffron. Adding saffron is optional. Allow it to come to a boil. We will then close and cook it. In the meanwhile, I will make the jaggery syrup. Add water just to cover the jaggery. Boil for a few minutes till the jaggery dissolves. Now you can see that the milk has begun to boil. Now reduce the flame. Add a few drops of ghee. This will avoid spewing and sticking of the milk to all the sides. Close and cook on a low flame only. If the flame is on high, the milk will spew out and make a mess. Cook for 3 whistles or just 15 minutes. Since the flame is low, some cookers may not whistle at times. Allow the pressure to settle on its own. Open and mash it well. You can see the rice and dal have cooked well. Add the dissolved jaggery and cook for just 1 minute. Switch it off. It will thicken with time. So I will add another 1 cup of milk. It will thicken as it cools. In a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Fry the cashews and raisins till they turn golden brown. Add it to the Sakkarai Pongal or sweet Pongal. Without long stirring and cooking time, yummy Sakkarai Pongal is ready. Now for the vada. I have soaked 1 cup of urad dal with 1 tablespoon of raw rice. I have soaked it for 2 to 3 hours. After 1 hour of soaking, I kept it in the refrigerator so when I grind it, it will turn out fluffy. Today I will be grinding it in a mixie jar. Generally, vada batter ground in the mixie does not give soft vadas because the motor gets heated, the vada batter gets runny and it doesn't turn out as expected. By keeping the soaked urad dal in the refrigerator, this is avoided. To this I will add 2 green chillies and a piece of ginger. Pulse it and then we will drain the water from the urad dal and grind it. The water used for soaking can be used to sprinkle while grinding the batter. If we add more water, the batter will be runny and the vada will absorb more oil while frying. Just sprinkle very little ice cold water and grind to a smooth paste. To check if the batter is ground well and is ready, add a little batter to the water. If it floats, it is ready. Transfer the batter to a bowl. I have just used 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to grind this batter. Now add salt to it and Here comes the most important technique to get soft and crisp Medhu Vada. Use a wire whisk or an electric whisker and whisk for 2 minutes. If you are using a wire whisk, you may have to do it for 5 to 6 minutes. This allows incorporation of air and makes the batter very light and fluffy. Add a few curry leaves, chopped coriander, mix well, and the batter is ready to make vadas. You can see how light and fluffy it is now. Heat oil in a kadai, and when it is hot, fry the vada, keeping the flame in low to medium. This makes the exterior of the vada crisp and the interior is very soft in texture. Dip your hands in little water to shape the vadas. This shaping of vada can be done on a banana leaf or a plastic sheet. Fry it till it turns golden brown and crispy Medhu Vada is ready. One more tip is that you can make small bondas out of this same batter and add it to more korambu. The recipe for more korambu is in the description box. This will ease our work on festival days when we have a little more extra work. The bondas soaked in more korambu give a wonderful taste. The prasadam for Varalakshmi Puja is ready. Yummy Sakkarai Pongal and crispy Medhu Vada. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.